Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about finding your purpose. If you haven't found the purpose yet, or you're working on your purpose, and so that's what I'm going to talk about. I'm really working on my purpose, but took me more than 30 years to find my purpose. But along the way, whatever I learned and that did the things toward to my purpose is important. So if you haven't found your purpose, how to find your purpose? If you have found your purpose, and then what you're supposed to do and as your purpose. Purpose is, let's see, what is a purpose first? And purpose is something you're born to do, something you meant to do, because every each human being born with unique gifts. But sometimes we find them, sometime maybe next life, and we every each person born with the gifts. Gifts are means we have to find those gifts, and then we have to serve the humanity. We have to help others. So for me, working with the universal laws, and that's what my purpose is, and that's what I'm doing. That's what I supposed to do. That's what I meant to do, and that's what I have to do my life. And this is what I meant to born with. So took me more than 30 years, but along the way, whatever I did, I enjoyed doing things uh, to alignment my purpose. And whatever the courses I did, the formation I have learned, and we have to do that. So first, what is the purpose? Purpose is something you want to do. That's what I talked about, and you meant to do, and that's what you are born to do in the universe world. And then, of course, you are born to help others and serve others as humanity. And if you haven't found the purpose, you have to do the things you love doing, because most of the time we just doing the job, and of course everybody wants to earn money, and we do need money also. But along the way, if you doing whatever you have to do, don't worry about that, keep doing that, and on the side, do the things you love doing. Something makes you happy, something inspires you, not others, not your family and friends, and yourself. If you're doing something makes you happy every day, spend some time around those activities. It can be, for me, I used to love reading books, and of course, like health improvement. And then, yeah, I just kept improving, and arts and crafts, and then yoga, and then I did my yoga teacher training. So I did so many things to alignment, to finding my purpose, and that's what I'm going to recommend you. Start doing the things you love doing, makes you happy, inspires you, and that way, definitely, it will take time. Sometimes you're gonna find it straight away, or sometimes gonna take, for me, took me 30, more than 30 years to find my purpose. And I knew there's something more in me, but I always was looking for something, and I always kept growing, always kept moving forward and doing the things I makes me happy. And then finally I found it. And for same why I'm sharing this, it can help you also finding your purpose. Purpose is very important to find. If you feel there is a more in you, to do more, and that means your internal telling you you have to do more. More means you are meant to uh, do more to help others or serve others through your gifts. Gifts means you can be talent with, you born with something. For me, I love working with the universal laws. Universal laws really inspires me, makes me happy, and uh, and I feel this is what I meant to do. This is what I'm supposed to share, and that's what I'm studying every single day. and I'm reading about it, I'm listening YouTubes, or whatever the information I find around the universal laws, and that's what makes me happy and makes me happy helping and serving others. And for you, it might be painting or maybe writing, or maybe you want to write a book. So whatever your gifts are, just keeps moving, keeps taking the action every single day, keeps doing the things inspires you, makes you happy, and uh, and that way you are really working on your purpose. And don't give up. That's the most important. Just keeps moving forward every single day. And sometimes it can take more time, but sometimes you will find it straight away. But for me, definitely took me more than 30 years to find my purpose. But once you found your purpose, and you should be serving others, you should be helping others through your talents, through your gifts, and whatever gifts you are born with, um, painting or writing a books or whatever. Okay, everybody gifts going to be a different, but that does not really matter. Everybody born with unique gifts, every each individual. So we are not comparing here. We are born with something, and that's what you're meant to do. So that's what I'm trying to say. It's not the comparison, okay? Is this how the universe works? And this what we're supposed to do. So if you haven't found it, just keeps moving, keeps taking the action every single day, and and definitely you will find your purpose. Purpose is inspire you, makes you happy, okay? And that is what uh, going to bring you toward to your purpose. And then, if you have found your purpose, you should be sharing the knowledge with others. You should be serving others. And don't hold your purpose for yourself, and be supposed to help here, be supposed to serve here through your talent and gifts. Whatever your talents, through your business, maybe professionalism, or whatever. Okay, so everybody gifts are different. So whatever you are meant to do, you meant to do. And that's what we call a unique being. Every human being is a unique being, because there's no any other person. It's like it's only one each individual be born unique being. So don't think yourself you are not better than uh, you're not better, or you're comparing yourself with others. No, I would not compare myself to others, because I feel I am unique being, and you have to respect for that. And we are not comparing ourselves with others, and every individual is a unique being, but you have to find yourself, your unique being, and you have to respect for that. It's not comparison, it's you respecting your own unique being, whatever you're born with and within. So this is what I'm doing here. I have found my purpose, and I'm sharing this knowledge with others, and I'm trying to help to find their purpose, and I'm trying to help others. And that's what we're supposed to do. That's what we meant to do, to help others and serve others through your talents and gifts. And and purpose is not something you feel you're working. You feel really good about yourself uh, after helping someone or serving someone through your gifts and talents. And it doesn't feel like you're working. You feel like every day you just sharing the information, and it doesn't seem like I'm working here. I'm working here now, right now, but I don't feel I am working. Is a purpose is really you feel good about yourself. It makes you when you help someone and you are helping someone. If afterward it feels really good uh, about something you are helping others, or you sharing the information, and that's what the purpose is. So my mentor, he was working on the purpose, and he gave his whole life on the purpose, helping others all around the world. He was doing the seminar all around the world, and he was happy and healthy and wealthy, and he didn't have to work because he had a lot of money, but he knew he's working on the purpose and he should be helping and serving others. That is what purpose means. You have to help and serve others. And it's not about money, it's not about wealthy, it's about you are supposed to do what you're supposed to do. You are born to do what you're born to do. And that's what your duty and that's what your purpose is. So hopefully you are going to find your purpose. And finding your purpose, you have to do things what you love doing. And you have to spend every single day some time on the things you love doing. And then if you have found your purpose, start serving others, start helping others every single day, whatever way you can serve and help others. So that is the purpose you meant to do. And you're not supposed to hold back and your gifts and not to share with others or not to help others. You're supposed to help and share your gifts with others through your talent, whatever the talent you're born with, okay? So this what I'm doing, and this what I'll be doing all my life. And I think, and that's what I wanted to share with you today. And are you working on your purpose? And I would like to see your comments. So, what is a purpose for you? What purpose are you doing? What talent are you born with? I would like to see your comments. And for me, definitely, I'm born with the helping others with the universal laws, and that's what I meant to do. That's what I'm going to do, and that's what I enjoy doing: reading and listening and watching and yeah, I think that's all. And thank you for watching the YouTube. Please, if you like the YouTube, give thumbs up. And I would like to see your comments. And if you have found your purpose, and if you haven't found it, so what makes you happy? What inspires you as your gifts, as your talent? So I would like to see on the comments. And I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching the YouTube and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.